Hey friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if Valorant keeps crashing mid-game. So while playing Valorant and this keeps on crashing mid-game, then let's go quick into the process on how we can fix that. So locate your Valorant desktop icon, make a right click and then select show more options, click on properties. Click on the Compatibility tab. Then here you'll find Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator. You need to check that boxes. Click on Apply and then OK. And after that, launch the Valorant application. Now, if you are using any third-party antivirus softwares like Avast, McAfee, or Malwarebytes, then you need to temporarily disable that. Just simply click on the Show Hidden Icons in the taskbar. And from here, you'll find that if you're using that, so simply quit that from here and click on the Windows Security icon. Then here, we need to look for Virus and Threat Protection. Then under Virus and Threat Protection Settings, click on Manage Settings. Then turn off the real-time protection. And after that, try to see you need to play the Valorant, and if it is not crashing and the problem has been fixed, go back to Windows Security window and then enable it because this is a very important security for your Windows. Then you also need to check the VGC Service. So in the Windows search bar right here, type Services. Click on it under the Best Match. Then simply click on one service and then press the letter V key on your keyboard so that you will be directly coming here on the V section. Right click at the VGC, select Properties. Startup type, make sure this is automatic. If this is not yet starting, click on Start. If this is already running, click on Stop. Then start it again to restart the service. Then you have to click on Apply and then OK and then close the services window. Then we also need to disable or close the apps running in the background. So in the Windows search bar, type Task Manager, click on that. Now maximize this. So here in the list of processes, you will find all the programs on your Windows running in the background. So if you find this unnecessary, like the Microsoft Edge, just simply make a right click and then select End Task. You have to do this for all the unnecessary programs to close it from here in the Task Manager. Then click on the Startup Apps on the left pane. Now change the status from enabled to disabled so that you will know what are the startup apps enabled on your Windows. So what you're going to do in here is you need to simply right click at the startup app and then select disable if you found this unnecessary. Then simply close this. And you also need to make sure that the Windows is updated. So click on the Start button. Go to Settings. Then you have to click on Windows Update on the left pane. And simply click this button right here. So this will not only check for updates, but this will also download and install the latest updates for our Windows. Now once done, close this. And then you just have to simply update the graphics card driver too. So right click at the Start button and then select Device Manager. Then here we need to locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Make a right click and then select Update Driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now once the best drivers for your device are already installed, simply close this and close the window and then make a right click at the Start button, shutdown or sign out and restart your Windows. Then we can also run the SFC scan to check for any integrity violations. So in the Windows search bar, type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator in the right pane. Then here type SFC space / scan now. Hit enter. Now this process will take some time, so you need to wait for that until that is completed. So you need to wait for this to be completed and do not exit the process once this is not completed. You can minimize this but do not close the window. So once this is completed, once this goes up to 100%, just type exit and then just restart your Windows afterwards. And if the issue persists, then we can reinstall the application. So in the Windows search bar, type app wiz.cpl, control panel item, click on that. Then here, simply search for Valorant. Click on it and then select uninstall. Click on done. And then we need to reinstall it. So bring up any of your favorite browser. Just search that for that in the Microsoft like in the Windows search bar to open the Microsoft Edge or any of your favorite browsers and type here Valorant download, hit enter. And you'll find this from the official website playvalorant.com. Download the game Valorant, click on it. And simply click this button right here, download. Now once done, open the file, click on it once, and close the Edge browser. And then click on install. Then this will launch the application for you. So from here, you just need to sign in with your credentials. So you need to sign in order to continue playing the game. So that's it. If any of the solutions help you in fixing the issue, kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos and tutorials. Thank you for watching.